Guess if you watched that August 8th business you did, you saw our issue with the clog hose. We cleaned it like this, up. But all of this was pretty solid. Next couple hours, I gotta load this material and set the rest of the machine up. I'd already ordered some better hose.
Just kind of finalizing the setup now. Everything plugged in. Last thing we got to do is bring the pump up here, connect it to the silo, and then we will start testing material and getting the print ready to go.
We'll get a little more power and probably more consistency that we were noticing through there. This part though, since we broke it last week and we found the part today, you get all this goofy stuff. And since we changed our hose, we're more like this size now for all of our hardware, a lot lighter, because we don't need the pressure those Europeans are pumping their stucco at. We're Americans pumping concrete, clean the hose without separating the arm from the nozzle. Super happy with the water. Now we're going to pump the powder, which has been what we've been looking forward to. We had to make sure this was working before we make it all messy with our powder, but our water's working. We add powder, and then we start pushing powder, and then you get yourself a wall. That's the corner for the rebar. When that's done, oh, and you wanted a time? It was an hour-and-a-half setup. We planned on fixing problems.
In the heart of the earth, Golem rises tall. Concrete dreams to birth, answers the call. Lines of stone and steel, shaping futures bright. Golem's work is real, brick by brick each night.
And we're not loading bags.
Golem building dreams, future in its hands. Often strong it seems, changing all the lands.
Our quick disconnect 1-inch cam is working. Our extension here to help the pull. You'll see how we're trying to clear the hose just with the breech and loop over. No sag on this side. We'd be covered in dust by now. Yeah.
Foundations firm and true, resting on the ground. Affordable homes we knew.
Dude, I cannot tell you how happy I am.
Noble giants stood,
It's a touchdown.
molding homes with ease. Craftsmen of the neighborhood, brick and concrete seas. Building dreams,
You see this?
future in its hands.
So, yeah, I just wanted to come tell you I'm printing. Usually I'm all dirty and there's two of us and we're not just kind of standing around.
Often strong it seems, changing all the lands.
The hard work made this look easy. Golem does the heavy lifting.
Lines of stone and steel, shaping futures bright.
We're gonna print at night, one segment.
Yeah.
Golem's work is real, brick by brick each night. Golem building dreams, future in its hands. Often strong it seems, changing all the lands. Golem building dreams, future in its hands.
Yeah, so now I'm just checking our control panel for the printer, see what layer we're on. Just about halfway done. It's been about an hour and 6 minutes so far. Yeah, so total print should be about 2.5 hours, and that'll get us up to 80 inches. Going smoothly now. The wall consistency is pretty incredible right now, so pretty happy. So already at the very bottom of our print, pretty solid. So this concrete's got a curing accelerant in it that allows it to cure much quicker. Put all this weight on that bottom layer of concrete. within 2 hours.
Foundations firm and true, resting on the ground. Affordable homes we knew, now they are found. Noble giants stood, molding homes with ease. Craftsmen of the neighborhood, brick and concrete seas. Golem building dreams, future in its hands. Walls and some it seems, changing all the lands.
In the heart of the earth, Golem rises tall. Concrete dreams to birth, answers the call. Lines of stone and steel, shaping futures bright. Golem's work is real, brick by brick each night. Golem building dreams, future in its hands. Walls made strong, it seems, changing all the lands. Foundations firm and true, resting on the ground. Affordable homes we knew, now they are found. Noble giants stood, molding homes with ease. Craftsmen of the neighborhood, brick and concrete seas. Golem building dreams, future in its hands. Walls made strong, it seems, changing all the lands. Foundations firm and true, resting on the ground. Affordable homes we knew, now they are found. Noble giants stood, molding homes with ease. Craftsmen of the neighborhood, brick and concrete seas. Golem building dreams, future in its hands. Walls made strong, it seems, changing all the lands.